Hey guys, welcome to how to get free traffic to any Clickbank offer using YouTube. Now this is a tutorial. It's really a beginner's guide into how you can start using a really powerful platform like YouTube to actually start making money with Clickbank products. I will leave a video on the right hand side of the screen and in the description below that goes through a beginner's guide to Clickbank and gives you the basics around how to start finding products on Clickbank and how to find great products on Clickbank. So in this tutorial, I'm really going to concentrate on how you can actually use YouTube to make money with this platform. So guys, just before we start, my name is Richard Darby. This is the School of Nomads. If you haven't been over to the channel before, don't forget to hit that subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I produce new videos. And guys, if you're really serious and you want to learn how to build a business online using affiliate marketing, go ahead and check out the link in the description below. I got some great free training for you that'll get you started straight away. So guys, we're over on Clickbank here. I'm going to log into the marketplace and then I'm going to show you how we use YouTube to drive that great free traffic. So we jumped inside, guys. Now on the left hand side here is all of the different categories that you can have products in. There is thousands of products on Clickbank. If you just wanted to see very quickly what the most popular product on Clickbank is, come up to this search function here and you'll see a whole list of products here, and this gives you the most popular products by rank on the platform at the moment. So you'll see that it's this SKYPE. It's got a huge gravity, very popular, 1,185, and this tells me that this product is extremely popular. Now if you're a complete beginner, the first thing you need to do is figure out what kind of niche you're in, because you just don't go ahead and promote anything. So I happen to be in the e-business and e-marketing niche. I'm going to come over to this here, and in my particular niche there's a whole host of different products that people might be interested in. They could be interested in products that talk about social media advertising, could be email marketing, could be affiliate marketing. There's all sorts of different products that people may be interested in. So what I would do is just come down here and basically start checking out some of these products and seeing if they're the types of products that I would like to promote. Now the way that I do that is I come along and I literally look at the affiliate pages and I try to understand what the product is, and then I also buy the product. Now why do I buy the product? Because I want to make sure that these products, if I'm going to promote them, are actually good. I don't want to just promote any old thing just to make a fast buck. I want to make sure these types of products are good. In the make money online niche that I'm in, I'm afraid a lot of these products aren't that good and not really living up to the hype that they give on their particular sales pages. So there's a couple of things you can do. You can come over to the sales page, or you can come over to the affiliate section. This is a particular sales page for this one, and this just happens to be a quiz. I know what this one is. So guys, that's the way that you actually look at some information on the products, and I really would recommend that you do purchase these products if you're going to end up promoting them. Easiest thing to do if you just want to go ahead and grab a link quickly is hit promote here. I would put YouTube in here because this is the actual traffic I'm going to be sending over to this product, and I generate my hop link, and this would be the link that I actually use to advertise. Now obviously this is very ugly, so you can use things like bit.ly and other link shorteners. I actually use something called Pretty Links that's on my website. It's a free plugin on your website, and that's a great way to actually shorten these links to make them look a little bit nicer for a platform like YouTube. So I'm going to show you exactly how we're going to go ahead and promote these types of products on YouTube, and we're going to jump over to my Funalytics first so I can show you very simply how this is all going to work. So jump over to my Funalytics, guys. So we have two funnels on here. I'm going to show you a very simple one that you can use to get started with, and then a slightly more advanced one that you can use once you start making videos on YouTube on a regular basis, so that you can start getting more leads and actually building a business using this method. All you have is the leads that are basically the folks that are interested in the product or service that you're going to be advertising. They'll come over to YouTube and they will actually type whatever the product is that you want to promote, review. Because what we're going to be doing on YouTube is we're going to be doing product reviews. This is a great way to get traffic because product reviews are very powerful, and people want to be able to see what's inside the product and how it works before they go ahead and decide to purchase it. Now, what they would do then is they would watch your great product review video, and don't worry about this, I'm going to show you some resources you can use to do all of this. And just as a side note, you don't have to be on camera to actually do these types of videos, just like I'm doing now. What they would do is they would watch that video, and in the description of that video, you would have a link that is the one that I showed you over on Clickbank, and that link would go to the sales page, and then if they were interested, they would make the purchase. This is the most simple way that you can actually set up a funnel to promote Clickbank products on YouTube. This is the main thing that we need to concentrate on. The product review is the way that you're going to get people who type in a product name and a review over to your video, and then once they're interested, they'll start clicking into the description and then go over to the sales page. Now, the second and slightly more advanced version of this is you still have your leads, you still have your YouTube channel, you still have the product review name, they still watch the video, they still click the link, but instead of going to a sales page, they go to an opt-in or a bridge page that's going to offer them more information. Now, that bridge page could be something as simple as more background information on the product itself, which you can get from Clickbank. If you look at my beginner's guide video, which I'll leave in the description below, it'll tell you how to find that additional information. But basically, you have a bridge page here that you can go ahead and have much more information about the product and maybe even some bonuses there, which I will come on to. Now, once they go ahead and they go through that bridge page, you'll have a button on there that they then click, come over to the Clickbank sales page, and then they go ahead and make that purchase. The other thing you can do with this is you can have this as an opt-in page, especially if you've got bonuses, and you can offer people bonuses if they opt in to your list. Now, this is the most powerful way that you can promote Clickbank products on a regular basis, because once you have people's email addresses, you can just send them various pieces of information about the particular product they're looking at the time, and then over time, you can also send them information about other products and services that's in the same niche. And this is the way you can make ongoing commissions from the folks that are interested in products and services in whatever niche your particular product is in. So it's very, very powerful to try and get bonuses, even if they're off the vendors on Clickbank, to put onto a bridge page and then get them to opt in for those particular bonuses. Now, for Clickbank, they are a little bit unusual, in that most of the affiliate networks allow you to paste a link over to your bonus pages into the actual network, and they get delivered there automatically by the vendors of those particular affiliate networks. Unfortunately, in Clickbank, they haven't got that facility. So what you'd need to do on the bridge page is basically have a note on there saying, hey, if you buy this through my link, once you've opted in, email me automatically your payment link for the Clickbank product, and then that'll allow you to send your bonuses over to these particular folks. So having bonuses on Clickbank is sometimes a little bit tricky, and there is software also that allows you to do the same thing as well, but at the end of the day, they still need to be able to opt in to a bridge page. So the most simple thing, if you're going to be starting out on Clickbank, is to use this method here and just post these product review videos, and these product review videos are the main way that you can get traffic over to the link and then onto the sales page. This is the simplest way to do it. So I'm going to give you an example of this. So we're going to jump back into Clickbank, and we're going to find an offer first in Clickbank that we want to promote on YouTube. So I jump back into Clickbank. Now, the offer I'm actually going to show you is something called Conversion Bot. Now, this is a bot that you can sit on a website or have its own landing page that helps you build your affiliate marketing business. And it's a bot that I use on my landing pages. If you go onto my website, there will be a bot on that website, and this is actually by these folks over on Conversion Bot. So you can see here that the gravity is 22, so it is being sold on a regular basis, and you can see some average conversion numbers here. So basically what I would do is go ahead and I would jump into the affiliate page first, and I'd have a look at what this product actually looks like and what they're offering. So they may be offering some bonuses that I can give away to my own audience, and it will help them make the decision about whether they want to purchase this particular product. So if we come down and we have a look through this page, it'll help you understand all of the different parts of this. What are the OTOs? What are the different upsells within this particular product? And then we'll be able to see if there's any kind of images that they're going to give you. You can have these images on your websites or in your emails, and then any other information that they've got. And I know that these folks actually give away some bonuses as well that they will allow you to give away to your audience. So there's some bonuses on here that you can actually get. So that's the way you actually review this, and then you can get your link from ConversioBot just by coming over here, putting your nickname in here and a tracking ID, and you can generate an affiliate link. So that's the first step, is having a link over to this and then thoroughly understanding this product. And again, I would advise you guys to actually buy these products if you're going to be promoting them on an ongoing basis, so you really understand what they're all about. Next is coming over to YouTube. Now, on YouTube, you're actually going to put a review video. Now, these review videos are very basic. All you need to do is talk people through the product, explain what the product's all about, how it works, and then what the prices are of the product. And then in the description of this particular video, you're going to leave that link that we got from Clickbank. So basically, if I just click into the ConversioBot video here, you'll see from this video that I'm not actually on camera when I'm making this video. What I've done is I've just gone through and I've used screen share software to actually record all of this video, and I'm just showing them inside the product, what it does, what the different parts of the product are all about. And then at the end, I'm also talking about the prices to this product, as you can see here. Now, in this particular review, I just used a PowerPoint deck as well to actually go through all the key points of this particular review. So if you want to learn how to do that, just go ahead and watch this and just replicate what I'm doing with my PowerPoints, and you'll see the various things that I discussed during the review video. But the key thing here is, once people have seen this, they'll come down, and I've told them, if you're interested in this software, guys, go ahead and click the link in the description below and you can get more information there. Now, you can see over the last year or so, this has had 3,500 views. I've done several actual reviews of this particular software, and it's got 103 odd likes. So I know that this software is very, very good quality and people like to see it. So the second thing is to come over here and you can click on the link below, and it will take them over to this particular page here. There's lots of different page builders you can use. This is in something called Thrive Suite, but I will show you a free page builder that you can get started with straight away, and basically just build a very simple page like this. It has the bonuses on that we saw, and it has a review video on here. And then we go ahead, and once they click this, they go through to the sales page itself. So we just go back to my analytics. I've used this method here. So basically, they've watched my video, they've searched for the product name review, they've watched my video, they've clicked the link, gone over to a very simple bridge page. Now, these bonuses are automatically delivered by the vendor, so I don't have to worry about that one in this case. And then they can go ahead and click through, and then I earn a commission once they purchase this particular product. So basically, guys, it's very, very simple to just do reviews on these different types of products. And it is very, very powerful because you get lots of free traffic from YouTube just by providing people the service of going into a product and telling them what it's all about. Now, there is some really nice software that you can use to do this, which is very inexpensive. You can use something like Screencast-O-Matic. It's a screen recording software, amongst other things, and it allows you to record your screen and be on camera if you want to, or you don't. It doesn't really matter, and it's very inexpensive. It's the one I always recommend for folks that are just starting out. So if we look at the pricing, you can see that for the Premier version, which is really the one I'd take, it's $5 per month, which is very, very inexpensive. So I'll leave a link to this in the description below so you can check out Screencast-O-Matic. It is a really good piece of software once you're first starting off with these types of videos on YouTube. And once you've actually recorded the video, you can edit it within the software and also post it straight to YouTube. So it makes it super easy. And also, if you're first starting out and you want to have software that provides landing pages as well as an autoresponder, so you can have an email list set up, I would use something like GetResponse. Now, GetResponse is free for up to 500 subscribers, so it's a really, really good piece of software. And the added bonus of this is it actually allows you to build websites and landing pages as well. So once you have that free account, you can use this to build a landing page like I showed you I had for ConversioBot. And again, it's not going to cost you any money. These are great tools to start out with. So just jumped inside, and basically these are the types of landing pages you can have. There's so many different designs on here, and you can use these straight away, connect them with the autoresponder that you've already created within the system, and you can start collecting email addresses and really start building your business online completely for free. So as I said, this software is completely free up to 500 subscribers, and the video creation software Screencast-O-Matic is very inexpensive. It's only $5 a month. So guys, I hope that was valuable to you. You will find more videos on my channel that talk about Clickbank and other affiliate networks that you can make money with. Go ahead and check them out. My name is Richard Darby. This is School of Nomads, If you haven't been over to the channel before, don't forget to hit that subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I post new videos. And guys, if you want to learn how to build an honest, transparent business online with affiliate marketing, go ahead and check out the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads, and we'll take you through the whole process step by step. Until next time, take care.